Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to properly use the manual scale to weigh your fish during sales. Over time, we've had so many farmers complain about this particular scale, about how buyers cheat them during sales using this particular scale. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to properly use the manual scale to weigh your catfish during sales on your farm. So what we have here today is a 50 kg manual weighing scale. We have the ones that are bigger than this, but before us today it's 50 kg manual weighing scale. Before weighing your fish, before knowing how heavy your fish is, try and peg your weight size to a particular number before weighing your fish. This is 50 kg. You should not be weighing fish above 50 kg on this particular scale. This is why it is boldly written 50 kg. If you want to get 100 kg of fish from this 50 kg, then be ready to get a very wrong result. This is 50 kg. Anything you are weighing here should be less than 50 kg. It should be lesser than even 30 kg. If I'm to use this on my farm, what I do weigh is 20 kg at most on this particular weighing scale. Fine, it is 50 kg, but to be on the safer side, use 30 kg, at most 35 kg. So before using it, have this in mind. Okay, what you want to use for selling your fish, the rate you want to use for selling your fish is okay, it's 30 kg. Any fish beyond 30 kg will not be allowed on this particular scale. So that is that about that. Then for the usage, you have to carry your bowl you want to use for weighing your fish. So many farmers make this mistake. They choose different bath during sales. It's a very wrong approach. Have a particular bowl, mark that particular bowl. If it's possible, mark with a marker, or just do something to mark that particular bowl, so that throughout your sales you would know that this is the particular bowl you are using to scale your fish. Have a single bowl throughout your sales when you're about to sell your fish. So what are you expected to do here? So you have to bring your bowl on this scale. This is your bowl on this scale. You have your bowl on this scale like this. As you can see, this particular weighing scale, it is not on zero. This is not on zero. So what are you expected to do? There is a particular knob underneath the weighing scale. There's a particular knob underneath the weighing scale. You have to use it to put this back to zero. Make sure it is exactly on zero. Make sure you don't rush yourself. You have to be very careful. Make sure it is back to zero. It's not there yet. Almost there. Almost there. A little bit. So we have this on zero exactly. So you can see this is the screw knob I'm talking about. So after getting your exact scale at zero, now this bowl is the bowl you should be using throughout your sales. This bowl is the bowl you should be using throughout your sales. Don't let anybody convince you. If you put it back there now, you will see that it is still on the same zero. I believe you can see it's still on the same zero. You bring it, put it down, you put it back again. Like bring it and put it back 100 times. It will still be showing you that zero. So this is it. After setting your scale back to zero, now you can put in your fish into your pond, into your bowl. So let's assume I have my fish on my bowl now. Let's assume I have my fish here. Let's assume this is my fish. Let's assume this is my fish. Then you carry it put it on your scale. You can see. So this is the exact kg of the item I put on this bowl. Do well that I hope you know that the red lines are the kg signs, not the black. So many farmers make this mistake, not this black. The red numbers are the ones you use to know how heavy your fish is. Are the ones in kg. You can see 50 kg here. It is a red line that you will use to uh, to know how heavy your fish is. The red line. So from what you've seen here, this is around even around 600 grams. I believe this should be around 600 grams. It's not up to 1 kg. So that is the ideal way to use your manual scale to weigh your catfish. Then after weighing this particular one, bring them down, you remove your fish, you put in another set of fish again. You do same. That's how you do throughout the sales of your catfish. So the manual scale also is also effective. It's just that you need to be very very careful and you need to really know what you're doing. Use this manual scale. Unlike the digital weighing scale, that one is just you on it after owning the digital scale. You have nothing to set it, just to press zero from your scale. That is very easier to use. But this, you have to do one thing or the other before being on a safer side to use this particular weighing scale. I believe you got value from this video. In case you don't understand, you can go back and watch this video over and over again before selling your fish with that particular manual weighing scale. Like I said, the manual weighing scale is also good, but that if you really know how to use it well, because most losses on the farm are due to usage of manual weighing scale. You have to be very very careful. You have to really understand how it works before you using it. So that will be that for today. I believe you've gotten value from this video. Do well to share this video, do well to comment, and do well to engage on this post. So thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.